Hey you guys, I'm so excited because today I am sharing something a little bit different. If you have been watching me for a while and you feel like you're starting to get this simplifying feeding your family thing down, but you haven't started moving yet, you're gonna wanna check out today's video. My friend Erin Kendall from Erin Kendall Fitness has a fast 10-minute workout for us. I know you can fit that in, so go ahead and watch today's video and then let me know in the comments below when you've completed it.
My name is Erin Kendall and I am super excited to be here with you guys today, sharing this workout for my friend Amy, who is working so hard bringing healthy food ideas for families. So great. I found so much inspiration from her and I am so honored to do a workout video on her channel for you guys today. So I do short and sweet workout videos for moms, parents, busy individuals who just do not have time to work out. So this is the I don't have time to workout. All right, we're gonna do a short warm up and then we're gonna go into a full body, no equipment necessary workout that's going to lickety split get you feeling energized and stronger in no time at all. Okay, let's do arms out wide for windmills. Reach down for your opposite foot, stand up nice and tall. Switching side to side. Really important that we come up in between. Open up those lungs, take a nice deep breath. Start getting that oxygen flowing through your body, through your muscles. Get your joints warmed up, get your muscles warmed up. And feeling good. All right, bear hugs. We're gonna use shoulders, we're gonna use lower body, we're gonna use your abs, your core. We're gonna use a little bit of everything today. Start getting your back nice and straight and in line. And single leg swing, shoulders back, chin up. Just feel free to swing your leg as far as you're comfortable with going. And switch, other side. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna start with some squats. For this first round, don't worry about going too deep, don't worry about going too far into each exercise and rep since we're just getting started. So you go as low as you're comfortable with going, and we're gonna start off with 10 squats. 9, 8, hips go way back, sit on that invisible chair behind you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up next, bear crawl. So we're gonna walk out into the plank, stick the plank, lock in, stand up nice and tall, shoulders back, chin up, belly button in. Take a breather, and here we go again. So let's do 5 of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. All right, now we're gonna go into a plank and we're gonna go side to side. So if you watch my feet, I'm just gonna shift my feet side to side like this, okay? And I'm gonna reach up to the sky. And just go as far as you're comfortable with going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Good job, guys. Coming up. Back to those squats. This time go a little bit deeper. Hands up front. Sit way back on your heels. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, And 1. Perfect. Bear crawls. Here we go. You can see we're doing some repeat movements because the first time we're just kind of getting the feel for it. The second time we can just dive right in and make the most of our time. All right, 5 bear crawls. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. All right, back to those side-to-side planks. So starting out in a regular plank on your hands, we're gonna shift to the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Come on up. Next up, split squats. This is a good one. So the important thing to remember with split squats is your front foot, your weight is on your heels. Your back foot, your weight is on the balls of your feet. You can put your hands out to the side, up front, on your hips, whatever you're comfortable with, totally fine. The only thing we need to make sure of is we're going straight down. We're not shifting our weight forward or back. We're going straight down. All right? We're gonna do 5, switch legs for 5 more. Chin up, look straight ahead. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Down for push-ups. We're gonna do 10 push-ups. You can do push-ups on your knees. That's totally fine. If we're doing push-ups on our knees, we're bringing our feet as close to our bottom as we can so we're not on our kneecaps. If you want to do full push-ups, you can. Just make sure your hands are far enough apart to give you enough leverage. All right, here we go. 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And then next up, all the way on your belly for Superwoman. So all the way down, arms overhead. Keep your chin tucked down. Lift up your arms and legs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Come on all the way back up for those split squats. So 5 and 5. Here we go. Same thing, same set. All right, and then we can wrap this up with some stretches. Always the cherry on top, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you control how deep you're going and how intense each and every movement is. So you could certainly make this harder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Or if there's ever an exercise you're doing where you feel like you're pushing yourself a little bit too far and it's a little bit too uncomfortable and you don't want to injure yourself, we always just pull that back so we're not going quite as deep. And that's a good way to make sure you're being safe about your exercises. So remember, here is our push-up on our knees, off the kneecaps. Here is the push-up in a full push-up position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way on your belly. Superwoman. Keep your chin tucked down. Five more. Perfect. Nice work, you guys. We did a little bit of everything today. We did lower body, quads, hamstrings. We did arms, core, back. We hit all the spots. All right, straight leg stretch. Reach for your toes. Get a nice stretch behind your legs, all the way up into your back. Stretch and reach. If you can't quite reach your toes, that's okay. Grab a towel, put a towel under your feet, and use that as leverage to pull yourself in. Okay, let's hold for 10. Keep breathing. And butterflies. Sit up nice and tall. Get that stretch in your hips. Nice work, guys. Come on all the way up for a roll down. Nice and slow. Reach for your toes. Let your head hang. Let your arms hang. And slowly make your way up. Shoulders and head are coming up last. Reach behind in a nice chest stretch. And the neck stretch. Nice job, guys. Once again, I'm Erin Kendall, and thank you so much for working out with me today. It is an honor to be here on Amy's Food channel. Have a great rest of your day.